Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing fine with your family and friends. Okay, let's start our class with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Everybody, kindly, all of those students whose cameras are not open, open your cameras. Okay. Okay, so we have two classes today. The first class will be of science and the second one will be of English. You guys already know the rules of class that if you want to ask anything, what you have to do, you have to raise up your hand. You can raise up your hand by the Zoom app as well, or you can raise up your hand physically as well. Okay, am I clear? Okay, so you all know after 40 minutes our class will be end. You all know how to rejoin the class within a minute. All right, without wasting any time, rejoin the class, and in the next session we will discuss about English, because on last Friday we only studied English. So today we'll start our class with science. Do you all have your science worksheets in your hands? Everybody show me your science worksheets. Inaya, why your camera is not open? Zara Abbas, everybody show me your worksheets. Okay, very nice. What we studied last week, who will tell me? Who wants to tell me that what we have studied last week? Yes, Kabir. I ask you to unmute yourself, Kabir.
Miss,
Yes,
we last time we learned about Mustaqbal.
we learned about. Yes, Kabir, I'm listening. Last time we learned
Cycle.
about
Miss, I Miss, I
what?
cannot remember. Miss, I
What?
cannot remember.
It's okay. Yes, Zayanuddin.
We learn sentences.
I am talking about science. We are studying science right now. And what we studied last time.
Magnet. Magnet. Magnet.
Okay, relax, okay. Yes, so we studied about magnets last time. Am I right? And I have given you a homework as well. Page number 4 and page number 5. Okay, as I was reading the page number 5, I found a mistake in page number 5, but nobody of you, point out that mistake. Can anybody tell me what is a mistake on page number 5? Can anyone tell me what is the mistake on page number 5? Yes, Hassan, you will tell me. Yes, Hassan.
Teacher, question number 3.
No, not question number 3. वो तो already we discussed that. हम उसको already discuss कर चुके थे. But there is another mistake. Who will tell me that? Mariam, can you? It's okay. I will tell you. Everybody look at page number 5. There is a short paragraph written. Magnetic field gave magnets their ability to stick to magnet metals. Magnets have poles, a north pole and a south pole. Two like poles will attract, two opposite poles will retract. Okay? यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है two like poles will attract and two opposite poles will retract. Is it correct? Two like poles will attract. Is it correct? Dua Khan, open your camera. Yes, Anaya? Naya, I ask you to unmute yourself. You want to say something? Yes, Naya.
Yes. Two lights pole will retract.
Yes, two like poles will retract and two opposite poles will attract. So the mistake is यहाँ पे गलत type हुआ है that two like poles will attract and two opposite poles will retract. It is wrong. Two like poles will retract and two opposite poles will attract. जो दो same poles होते हैं क्या वो attract करते हैं retract होते हैं? वो रिट्रैक्ट होते हैं, वो दूर जाते हैं. और जो दो ऑपोजिट पोल्स होते हैं वो अट्रैक्ट करते हैं, वो दूसरे के करीब आते हैं, दे बिकम क्लोजर. ऑलराइट, दुआ खान,
Yes.
can you open your camera? Yes, very nice. Yes, Kisa Fatma.
Miss, I have to ask this. I have done my work and I give in university too.
What, Kisa? I didn't listen you.
Miss, I have done my work and I sent in university.
You send this on? Kisa, there might be an internet issue because I cannot hear you properly. Kisa, can you hear me? Kisa, I'm sorry, I cannot hear you, dear.
Miss, I have done my work.
All right, you have done your work. Did you send this work to me on university?
Yes.
All right.
I sent my all work.
Okay, thank you so much, Kisa. Okay, now let's move forward. In last class, what we studied? We studied about magnets. What are magnets? Magnet is a man-made material or a natural material. We discussed about that too. And then we discussed about how many poles do magnets have and what do they do when they become closer and when they become, when they become retracted. We discussed about it. Am I right? So I'm going to show you the PPT. Okay, so as we discussed, Okay, so as we discussed in our last class that magnet have two poles, which is a south pole and a north pole. When two like poles become closer, they will retract, they will repel or they will retract. जब दो like poles यानी south pole और south pole या फिर north pole और north pole करीब आते हैं, when they both come closer, तो वो क्या करते हैं, रिपेल ईच अदर, दे रिपेल ईच अदर और दे विल रिट्रैक्ट, एक दूसरे से दूर जाते हैं. इसी तरीके से जब दो ऑपोजिट पोल्स करीब आते हैं, जैसे कि साउथ पोल और नॉर्थ पोल एक दूसरे के करीब आता है, दे विल अट्रैक्ट, दे विल अट्रैक्ट. ओके, what is magnetic field? A magnetic field is the area around the magnet where it can attract or repel things. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्या होती है? मैग्नेटिक फील्ड मैग्नेट के अराउंड का एरिया होता है. जैसे कि आपके पास एक मैं वो क्या एग्जांपल दूं, फॉर एग्जांपल ओके, लेट्स लीव द एग्जांपल. मैग्नेट पे ही आते हैं हम. जो आपका मैग्नेट होता है उसके सराउंड में थोड़ी सी दूर तक जो फील्ड होती है, जैसे अगर आप एक मैग्नेट लें और उसके थोड़ी सी दूर आप कोई ऐसी स्टील की या आयरन की कोई भी एक चीज रखेंगे, इट विल अट्रैक्ट टुवर्ड्स द मैग्नेट. तो वो किसकी हेल्प से होती है? वो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की हेल्प से होती है. ठीक है, तो मैग्नेट के अराउंड में मैग्नेटिक फील्ड होती है जहां पे चीजें अट्रैक्ट और रिपेल करती हैं. लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. What kind of things are magnetic? Let's find out. Using a magnet, walk around the room and find different things that are magnetic. If you have a magnet, आपने क्या करना है, मैग्नेट को लेना है और अपने रूम में वॉक करनी है और आपने देखती है ये कौन कौन सी चीजें आपकी मैग्नेटिक हैं. उन चीजों के करीब आपने अपने मैग्नेट को लेके जाना है. इफ दे अट्रैक्ट टुवर्ड्स योर मैग्नेट, इट मींस दे आर मैग्नेटिक. If they are magnetic, they will stick to the magnet. If they are not magnetic, they will not stick to the magnet. Very simple. If you have magnet, then you can do this. It is not necessary to buy a magnet. It is not necessary. If you have easily available it in your home, then you can do this, or otherwise leave it. It is not necessary to buy it. Okay. Okay, let's do one thing. Mariam, can you tell me, Mariam, I asked you to unmute yourself. Mariam, can you tell me what do you think, which things are non-magnetic? What do you think?
The pencil, I think the soda can.
Yes, pencil, paper. Okay. Why these things are non-magnetic?
Because they are made out of stone, either of wood or some
Okay,
material that
magnet
is not
attracts a
steel.
material. A magnet attracts a material like iron, steel, copper, nickel, cobalt. All of these materials are attracted towards magnet, but the material which is a wood or a paper or a aluminium, they are not attracted by magnets. All right. Now, अब यहाँ पे आपको कुछ चीजें शो की हुई हैं. Now tell me, Mariam, which things will get attract towards magnet?
First, soda can. The pencil, the paper, and the pen, and the highlighter.
Soda can
And the
cannot
zip and
be,
the pen.
no, soda can cannot be attracted towards magnet because it is made up of aluminum.
Because it is made of aluminum.
So it cannot be attracted towards magnet because it is not made up of steel or iron. That's why. So all of these things are
Only the
non-magnetic.
zipper
All
and
things are
non-magnetic, except maybe the pen or the zipper. I don't know. Miss, I can't hear your voice.
okay. Wait.
Now I can hear it.
Okay, so all of them are not magnetic. Sorry, it is my non-magnetic. Sorry, it's my mistake. Some of them are magnetic and some of them are not magnetic. Okay. Now let's find out. Can bag be attracted towards magnet? Can bag attract towards magnet? क्या बैग मैग्नेट से अट्रैक्ट हो सकता है? नो. ओके. क्या पेपर मैग्नेट से अट्रैक्ट हो सकता है? नो. ओके. क्या मार्कर मैग्नेट से अट्रैक्ट हो सकता है? नो. पेंसिल? नो. पेन? नो. बुक? नो. ओके. Yes, Mariam was right. Soda can be attracted towards magnet. Let me see how it can attract it towards magnet. Okay, paper clip can be attracted towards magnet. Fine. Soda can be attracted towards magnet. Okay, zip can be attracted towards. Okay, this board is attracted towards magnet because can you see the holder at the top? The holder. It is made up of steel. It is made up of steel. That's why it can be attracted towards magnet. Okay. Or maybe this is not a plastic ball pen, this is a steel ball pen. You have seen some ball pens, आपने देखे होंगे कुछ ball pens होते हैं जो आपके स्टील मटेरियल के बने हुए होते हैं, वो प्लास्टिक के बॉल पेन्स नहीं होते हैं. देखे हैं ऐसे बॉल पॉइंट्स? तो उस टाइप के बॉल पॉइंट्स कैन बी अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स मैग्नेट एंड सोडा कैन आल्सो बी अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स मैग्नेट बिकॉज समटाइम्स they have different materials too. Okay, clear? And all these things are non-magnetic. Bag, book, marker, all of these things are non-magnetic. Now it's your turn. If you have a magnet at your homes, go find out the things which are magnetic and which are non-magnetic. Or if you don't have a magnet, it doesn't matter. आप वैसे भी find out कर सकते हैं कौन सी चीज magnetic है और कौन सी चीज non-magnetic है. ठीक है? Now let's come to page number 7. Everybody, we have only 10 minutes left in our science class. Come to page number 7 on your worksheet packs. Yes, Mariam.
Miss, Means if I put a very big bag in front of two magnets, is the magnetic field in big enough to still attract to the other magnet?
Mariam, what are you saying? I cannot hear you. Can you speak a little louder?
Means I'm saying if we put a big bag in front of two magnets, is the magnetic field big enough to still attract?
Wait, Mariam, wait. Wait. Yes, Mariam. Ask again. What are you asking?
I was saying if we put a very big bag in front of two magnets, is the magnetic
No.
field big enough?
No. If a bag is non-magnetic, no matter how many magnets you can put in front of a bag, it cannot be attracted towards magnet because it is non-magnetic. Only a magnetic material or a material which is made up of iron or steel or nickel, cobalt, they can be attracted towards magnet. A bag is a non-magnetic material. No matter if you put two magnets in front of it or you put three magnets in front of it, no matter, it cannot be attracted towards magnet because it is made up of a non-magnetic material. Okay? Understand? Mariam, is it clear? Yes, Zayan. Is it clear, Mariam?
Can we drink water? Can we drink water?
After completing this class, you can. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
10 minutes. I guess 7 minutes left. Okay, everybody open page number 7 on page, look at on page number 6. This is your homework word search magnets. You have already done these type of worksheets, am I right? What you have to do, you have some words given below. You have to find out the words in a word box. All right. On page number 7, there are some objects which is given. Okay, and there is a box at the below, magnetic and non-magnetic. You have to put magnetic material on a box of magnetic, and you have to put non-magnetic material in a non-magnetic box. Clear? Is it clear? Everybody, if it's clear, show me a thumbs up. Everybody, if it's clear, show me a thumbs up. Ares, this is your homework. You are not supposed to do it in your class. Dua Khan, your camera is not open again. Who is this Infinix Hot 8 Lite? Open your camera. Abdullah Alvi, open your camera. All of those students whose cameras are not open, kindly open your cameras there. Okay, come on, page number 8. Okay, come on page number 8. They are saying magnets comes in all shapes, size and strength. Okay? Magnet can come in different shapes, different sizes and different strength. जितना बड़ा मैग्नेट होगा उसकी उतनी ज्यादा पावर होगी, जितना छोटा मैग्नेट होगा उसकी पावर कम होगी. ठीक है? इस तरीके से यहाँ पे आपको 3 मैग्नेट्स मिले बनाए हुए हैं, M1, M2 and M3. पेपर क्लिप्स आर ऑल द सेम साइज एंड वेट. अब उन्होंने उन मैग्नेट्स के साथ कुछ पेपर क्लिप्स अटैच किया हुआ है. ठीक है, उनकी स्ट्रेंथ के अकॉर्डिंग 3 मैग्नेट्स हैं डिफरेंट साइजेस के, उनकी स्ट्रेंथ के अकॉर्डिंग उनके साथ पेपर क्लिप्स अटैच हुए हुए हैं. अब नीचे उन्होंने उससे रिलेटेड आपसे ब्लैंक्स पूछी हैं, ये आपको फिल करने क्वेश्चन. मैं आपको रीड करके बता देती हूँ. Look at the three magnets above. M1 and M2 are the same size. The magnet shows how many paper clips they can hold. ठीक है. M1 और M2 जो मैग्नेट है वो सेम साइज का है और ये मैग्नेट आपको बता रहे हैं कि हाउ मेनी पेपर क्लिप्स दे कैन होल्ड. Are magnets M1 and M2 the same strength? अब आपने ये बताना है. देखें M1 में कितनी पेपर क्लिप्स होल्ड की हैं? 2 पेपर क्लिप्स होल्ड की हैं. ठीक है. M2 ने 3 पेपर क्लिप्स होल्ड की हैं. इट डजेंट मैटर अगर दो मैग्नेट्स आपके सेम साइज के भी हैं, उनकी स्ट्रेंथ डिफरेंट भी हो सकती है. हो सकते हैं कुछ मैग्नेट्स बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग स्ट्रेंथ के हों और हो सकता है कुछ मैग्नेट्स बहुत ज्यादा लो स्ट्रेंथ के हों, बट दे बोथ हैव सेम साइजेस. इट कैन बी पॉसिबल. हो सकता है कोई मैग्नेट बिगर साइज हो लेकिन उसकी स्ट्रेंथ कम हो, और हो सकता है कोई मैग्नेट स्मॉलर इन साइज हो बट इट हैज अ बिगर स्ट्रेंथ. ठीक है. ऑल ऑफ देम आर पॉसिबल. क्लियर क्लियर. ऐसे ही यहाँ पे अब देखें दो मैग्नेट्स हैं M1 और M2. M1 मैग्नेट ने 2 पेपर क्लिप्स होल्ड किए हुए हैं और M2 मैग्नेट ने 3 पेपर क्लिप्स होल्ड किए हुए हैं. Although they both have same sizes, but still one magnet can only hold 2 paper clips and the other magnet can hold 3 paper clips. So you guys can better tell this which magnet have the larger strength. Okay. Number 2. Which magnet M1 or M2 is the strongest? You can tell this. Okay. Number 3. If we are testing the strength of the magnet, do all the paper clips have to be the same size? अगर हम किसी मैग्नेट की स्ट्रेंथ को चेक कर रहे हैं तो क्या आपकी पेपर क्लिप का साइज सेम होना चाहिए? ये आपने फाइंड आउट करना है. देखें अगर मैं एक 100 kg का बैग आपके सामने रखती हूँ और मैं 3 डिफरेंट लोगों को खड़ा करके बोलती हूँ कि जो ये 100 kg का बैग उठा लेगा, he or she will be a more powerful. तो क्या अब मुझे स्ट्रेंथ मालूम करने के लिए डिफरेंट केजीज के बैग रखने होंगे या एक ही सेम केजी का बैग रखना होगा 100 kg का? मैं एक ही 100 kg का बैग रखूंगी ना ताकि मैं देख सकूं कौन वो 100 kg का बैग कैरी कर सकता है. इसी तरीके से मुझे एक ही साइज की पेपर क्लिप्स रखनी होंगी कि मैं देख सकूं कौन सा मैग्नेट कितनी ज्यादा पेपर क्लिप्स होल्ड कर सकता है. ठीक है. अब आपने नीचे रीजन आपका वाई क्यों एक ही साइज की पेपर क्लिप्स रखनी है ये भी मैंने आपको डिफाइन कर दिया है. Which of the 3 magnets is the strongest? It can be very clear. You can see this that which magnet is the strongest. Okay. Can you guys do this? Everybody clap your hands if you understand this. Clap your hands. Clear? We have only 1 minute left. After 1 minute, our class will end. If anybody of you want to go and drink water, just go and drink water fast, then rejoin the class. I will end this session, okay? Okay, bye. And rejoin the class.